can shoot out red beams and shoot down the drones. With my left hand, I'm able to see through the walls what's behind the wall. I can see that if there is any potential threats inside of the room. Like I can see that on this side there is a drone. I'm going to open up a window on this wall. The drone will be able to fly in and patrol in this room. So what I will use this gun to try to protect this room and shoot down the drone. So I'm shooting down, and then we'll ask him to drop down and land on this table. Remember that this drone knows where the table is, so I'm able to pick it up, I'm able to drop it, and drop it onto the floor. Like that. While it's flying, I'm able to catch it down with my bare hand. I'm able to shoot it down again. So it could be multiplayer experience as well. If let's say I have a friend who is holding the controller for me,
You like
want
to
to
try?
try?
You fly the drone, you'll shoot it down for you.
Yeah. You can use these two joysticks to fly it. And able to shoot it.
So we can play two-sided exercise. Yeah. Attacker, defender. And of course, defender must know the fundamental of marksmanship: holding, squeezing, aiming, breathing. Yeah. Can you try to fly the drone back into the virtual world?
Sure. Yeah.
No.
Let me
Ah,
try.
okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, if I open the window again, I'm able to fly this drone back into the virtual world.
So
Let's say
okay.
it's over there. I'm able to shoot anything with this scope. So in realistic world, this gun can actually be effective around 1 kilometer's range. So that's why it's equipped with the scope. So I can use the scope in this virtual world. Try to fly. Shoot it down.